Now we are seeing that Pillsbury fridge cake. So now we are seeing the white powder, bread, biscuit crumb, and berry, chili berry. So take 2-3 spoons butter. Mix the biscuit crumb, biscuit powder. Mix it properly. The Pillsbury we are getting the 3 packets. So just open it and mix it first. Biscuit powders with butter properly. So it is mixed. After that you put it and you can size it, you can press it properly all around. Slowly press it and properly press it for the other side. Now put it in the fridge 10 to 15 minutes. In the the powder you can mix it in the milk. Round it in one side only. After a few times you see that this powder in the milk it's going to thick. After mixing I think 5 to 10 minutes you can see that it is going to thick. Now it is thick. You can see it. In the particular time in the fridge, after 10-15 minutes take out and put it in the towel in the off. Put it all and once again you put it in the fridge 10 to 15 minutes. So now you are putting, so after that you can put it in the fridge once again. So now we are putting fridge and taken out. So I put it this is a little sweet, so if you want you can put it less according to your choice. Now it is ready. You put it in the fridge, the 1.5 hour. Now it is ready to eat. See it how easy, and it is very good and very good. It's tasty.